In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a draw.io diagram to a Confluence page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clear, professional diagram right where your team needs it. First, open the Confluence page where you want the diagram to live. This could be an existing page in your space or a new page you've just created. Make sure you have edit permissions for that page so you can make changes. Next, click Edit to enter the page editor. This switches the page into editing mode and reveals the tools you'll use to insert the diagram. If you don't see the edit option, check with your space admin to confirm your access. Now place your cursor where you want the diagram to appear. You can use the quick command by typing a / and then draw.io. As you type, Confluence will suggest macros. Choose the draw.io diagram option from the list. If you prefer menus, open the macro or insert menu and search for draw.io there. Depending on your Confluence setup, it may also appear as diagrams.net. If you can't find it, the draw.io diagrams app might need to be installed by an admin. When the draw.io dialog opens, you can either create a new diagram or choose an existing one. Pick Create New if you're starting from scratch. You'll see a range of templates, flowcharts, org charts, network diagrams, and a blank canvas option. Select what fits your need and give it a clear name so teammates can recognize it later. If you already have a diagram stored on the page or in attachments, choose Existing and select it from the list. Once you're in the editor, build or refine your diagram. Drag shapes from the sidebar, connect them with arrows, and use formatting to set colors, line styles, and text. Keep it readable by aligning items and using consistent spacing. You can zoom in for detail work and zoom out to check the big picture. When you're happy, save the diagram. This closes the editor and inserts the diagram macro into your Confluence page draft. Finally, publish the Confluence page to display the diagram to everyone with access. Until you click Publish, others won't see the changes. After publishing, you can always come back, click the diagram, choose Edit, adjust your content, save, and publish again. If the diagram looks too large or small, select it on the page and adjust the display size options to fit your layout. That's it. Opening the page, editing, inserting the draw.io macro, creating or selecting a diagram, saving it, and publishing the page to make it visible.